Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the time on your iPhone very easily. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. First of all, open your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit, go to General. Next, Dates and Time. And what you can do here. And the first thing is you can turn off the 24-hour time zone. And then it will be 12 hours. And you can also disable the automatic settings for your time zone as well as the date. And now you'll be able to select, for example, a different time zone. To do this, you click on the name of the city. And let's say we want to select a different time zone. To do that, you can write the name of the city. For example, I'm going to choose Tokyo. As you can see, immediately the time has changed for us. And here you can also change the date. If you click on the date, you can choose absolutely any other date. After which you just go back. And after that, you can check to re-enter the date and time and check that you have a different date and a different time set. And anytime you want to re-switch to an automated date and time, you can just go here to Settings and turn on Auto Settings. And that's just like that. That's how easy it is, folks, to change your time on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write comments. And until new meetings, friends.